Pixel 10 Trio is here, but which one truly deserves your pocket space? Let's find out. Stick around, because one spec change this year is a massive surprise. Starting with price, the standard Pixel 10 offers the most accessible entry point into the new lineup. For slimness, the Pro and Pro XL edge out the base model, giving them a sleeker feel. Build quality is a tie, with all three models boasting premium materials for top-tier durability. And no need to worry about the weather. A shared IP68 rating means all three can handle a splash. On the software front, it's a level playing field, with a 7-year update promise ensuring long-term security for everyone. The core processor architecture is identical, guaranteeing flagship performance no matter which Pixel you choose. Powering it all is the new Tensor G5 chip, bringing the same blazing fast AI power to the entire family. For power users, the Pro models take a clear lead with more RAM and faster storage for effortless multitasking. When it comes to endurance, the Pro XL's massive battery is the clear winner for maximum screen-on time. And for getting back in the action, the Pro XL charges significantly faster, minimizing your downtime. All three phones feature stunning LTPO OLED displays, delivering vibrant colors and excellent power efficiency. It's a tie for smoothness, as the entire lineup now gets a fluid 120Hz refresh rate for seamless scrolling. For outdoor visibility, the Pro models shine brighter, making them much easier to view in direct sunlight. The Pixel 10 Pro packs the highest pixel density, delivering the absolute sharpest visuals for your content. If bigger is better, the Pro XL's expansive screen provides the most immersive canvas for media. With the slimmest bezels, the Pro XL achieves the highest screen-to-body ratio for a stunning all-screen experience. And rest easy, as all three screens are shielded by the same tough Gorilla Glass for excellent scratch resistance. While optical zoom is consistent, the Pro models pull far ahead with 100 times digital zoom for capturing distant subjects. Videographers will prefer the Pro models, which unlock stunning 8K recording for future-proof, cinematic quality. For selfies, the Pro models deliver a huge leap in detail with their 42-megapixel sensors for much sharper portraits. The Pro models gain a connectivity advantage with next-gen Wi-Fi 7, offering faster speeds and lower latency. So which is the winner? For the biggest battery and best display, the Pixel 10 Pro XL stands supreme. But for a balance of power and price, the Pixel 10 Pro hits the sweet spot. Let us know your choice in the comments. Thanks for watching.